what's the meaning of this?
See, Choma or whatever you call yourself, I am going to warn you just once. Stay away from my man Boniface.
What do you mean, stay away from my man Boniface? And you even included it as your man?
Yes, because he is my man. See, I am not interested in all this thing and Prince Leo that you people are waiting for. Boniface is my man. He's the one I love and want. So take your sliming self out of his way because I can see you meandering around with him. See, let me warn you. I am not Lillian, so you cannot have your way with me. I will not warn you again.
Look, calm down, okay? Weirdo. I am so sorry you feel threatened by my closeness with your so-called man, Boniface. But can you just please put a leash on your dog? God, is it that you don't even know how to satisfy a man in bed? Are you that slow? Look, I understand this can be really bad, okay? And if you can't satisfy your so-called man in bed, I mean, you can go to YouTube, learn it, okay? It's not that far-fetched. You can type it in, learn it, because he's really on my neck, okay?
Wait, are you trying to mock me? No, like you're
Don't. Look, don't try that next time, okay? I have severe anger issues, and I'm only just this calm because of Eunice. But if you try that next time, what I did to Lillian will be nothing compared to what I'll do to you. Okay? So I think you should just find something doing. Hop to YouTube now before he escapes from his cage.
What I did to Lillian? You think I'm afraid of you? If I deal with you, no, if I touch you, if I touch you, okay, I won't warn you a second time.
King desire for a bride to hold. King desire for a bride to hold.
What?
Who be that? Where will they shout my name like this? So what happened?
Open this gate, Joe. Somebody will be calling you and you won't answer.
Eh?
Open this gate, please.
Why I go open the gate? Eh?
I said open this gate and you're there talking rubbish.
Oh, madam. Oh, my Oga has never instructed me to open the gate. So, I know they open.
Oga said open this gate. I want to go out.
Oh, madam, I know they open. Open. I know they open. See, let me tell you, if you like, make a day here, we shout from now to tomorrow. I am not going to open. You see, if you know what is good for you, you carry yourself. As you carry yourself, you come out. Go back.
My friend, open this gate. Let me get out.
Oh, yeah, there now. Me, I dey busy at the book game.
Onyema.
Onyema. For a bride to hold. King desire for a bride to hold. Where is he?
I'll deal with you. You will see what I'll do to you.
In our kingdom, who will be the lucky winner? Who will be the chosen one? Who will be the lucky winner? Who will be the chosen one?
Oh no, my son and my queen will be returning home tomorrow. And I want Iche Namdi and you to be present in the palace to welcome them.
Igwe, that is okay. I will inform Iche Namdi, directly at DJ, right?
Okay.
I will go to his house and inform him so that he will be aware of this ceremony.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
I cannot wait to receive them.
Looking forward to their arrival. Yeah?
I've really missed them.
Let them turn you into an old bachelor.
Excuse me. Could you please bring down your legs?
Why California? Take your time.
Who is that? What is wrong with you?
Hi, ladies. You guys doing okay? Yes. So, I'll be going to the airport to pick up the prince. Wow. Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. Eunice has to come with me because she has to stop over at the market to, buy up some things for the occasion. However, make yourself comfortable and be at your best behavior because I have my eyes on you. So see you later. All right.
It's almost evening and they're not yet back. What is going on?
I believe they've been sacked by Boniface. So the contest is now between us.
How? How will the royal house do something like that? Or didn't they know that we're going to eat today, even tomorrow? Are they expecting us to go into the kitchen and prepare something for ourselves? That is the idea. And it's too bad for those who doesn't know how to cook. Even as a lady. I'm really fucked. What am I going to do?
Wait. Now I know why Wakego wanted us to learn how to cook. Seriously.
All this ranting about cooking. I don't have time for such rubbish. I'll just order food online.
Please, can you add my also?
Please.
Look at them. Learn how to cook, you refuse to.
You know how to. You can teach me so that I can.
Good morning, Your Highness. My prince must have overslept and forgotten that today is his birthday and his bride's choosing ceremony.
Thank you, Mama. Yes, that reminds me, Mama. There's this lady I met at the contest. She was our cook and our house help. And I promised to take her out when I was leaving. But I told her I would have to talk to you first before I bring her in.
You know, my daughter, many people, when they look at you, they assume that you're a bad egg to associate with. Because of the way they see you, the way you look. As in, sometimes you used to be mean. But I don't have a problem with that, okay? You can bring her to come and stay with us.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank
Anything
you.
for my baby.
Thank you. I'll have to go there tomorrow to tell her about it.
She's welcome. Anything for her.
Thank you so much.
Your Majesty, you see, so much preamble music. This actually makes the dancers weak. But in this case, I want to assure you that we are not weak, because this is an event which we have fought so much anticipation. Yeah? An event where our own son, the heir apparent to the kingdom of the ancient kingdom of Umunze, is going to pick his bride, therefore become a complete man.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yes.
And of course, it also falls on his birthday. So it's a double celebration for us.
Double celebration.
And I want to assure you, Your Majesty, that everything needed for this event has been put in place. Everything.
Beautiful.
Good. So we are just waiting for the kickoff.
Oh no, you are right. As a wise man that you are.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Leo is my only son. Heir apparent to the throne.
Yes.
I want his birthday celebration to be the best. I have also informed my friends from the neighboring kingdom.
Oh.
Yes, they will all be present.
Igwe, that's exactly what we are saying. And from my discussions with Lolo, I gather that the Minister for Women Affairs, Professor Gloria Okon, is going to be here to grace the occasion.
That's true.
So
That's true.
it's going to be a very grand one.
Exactly.
In fact, one that will be talked about generations.
That's exactly how I want it to be. You see, I want the best birthday celebration and bride choosing ceremony. The best ever for my son. The best that has never been. And the best that will ever be.
Your Majesty. I assure you will not be disappointed in this. We are on it and we shall remain on it until it is over. That is the way it is.
That's the way it's going to be. That's
Good character is the ultimate in life. Where your good people will see and talk about it and talk about it. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality, she's gonna be my queen.
You've been trying to connect with this person, but it's not connecting. Why not leave this person and go to bed?
I'm worried. I am so worried. Her line has not been reachable. I mean, I've been trying for a very long time and it's still switched off.
Sister, who is this person that you're so desperate to reach on phone?
It's Eunice, the cook and the house help I told you guys about. Okay. She's a really nice woman, and I want to take care of her. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do.
Sister, do you know what? We are going to bed. Maybe by tomorrow, you try again, and maybe, yes, you reach her. So,
good character is the ultimate in life.
You see what's the
where your good people will see and talk about it and talk about it.
Greetings, my beautiful ladies.
Greetings to you too.
A message from King Abalanze. He said, and I quote, that he appreciates your patience and commitment so far. He therefore requests that you maidens should hold on a little while, as they are yet to hear from the gods, to proceed with the celebration, where one of you will be crowned the next queen. Any question?
Yes. We are not left with any servant. Tell His Royal Majesty that we need at least a cook.
I will relay the message. Any more questions?
For how long is the gods going to give a date?
That I don't know.
But this wasn't what they promised us. I mean, what's going on?
Exactly. I'm tired.
But at least we should be happy. At least one of us is off already. The contest is now the 26th of course.
Yeah. Ladies.
Okay, we can wait for a few days. I think.
Okay. All right, ladies. That will be all for today.
See if I can find Eunice. I've been trying her number since yesterday and it's not reachable. I don't know. I'm just worried that something bad hasn't happened to her.
God forbid. Nothing will happen to her. It's either bad network or low battery.
Mama, no. In that house, there's 24 hours electricity. It's not possible that her line is switched off till now. No, Mama, please. I have to go and check up on her, please.
It's alright. It's alright. Go and check on her. If you find her, tell her I said she should resign and come and live with us. Yeah? We will get something for her to do that will make her independent, okay?
Alright, Mama, thank you so much, okay? Please take care. I'll be right back. Thank you. Bye-bye.
What is this one doing here? After being evicted out of the royal contest.
What do you want?
I'm not here for any of you. I'm here for Eunice, actually. Can one of you go upstairs and tell her that I'm here to see her?
That's one. She no longer stays here. She has been kicked out. Understand? Kicked out.
King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi mawa amwanya soma. He desires for a good queen in our kingdom. Who will be the lucky queen? Choosing one, the lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the choosing one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. You look beauty everywhere, there is no doubt. Your mama boy you were, baby. Madam we refine we punano to peliano. Baby go see no wegi, show wetin you got. Go see busy wegi, guy focus kwado. Oh, this is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi mawa amwanyabo soma. He desires for a good queen in our kingdom. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. You look beauty everywhere. There is no doubt to my dear. Your mama boy you were, baby. Manda weri fane wepuna no to baby ano. Baby go see no wegi. Show wetin you got. Go see busy wegi. Kai focus kwado. This is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi mawa amwanyabo soma. He desires.
Mama, what is wrong with her?
My daughter, what is it?
Mama, she no longer works there. She was sacked the same day I was evicted out of the contest. But I don't understand. We were told that we were going to the market. So, I don't know how... Honestly, I don't know. Where will I find her?
But why will the royal family do that to her? You said she was so committed to her work.
Mama, those ladies in the contest never liked her for one day. They never liked her. So I'm sure they ganged up and made sure she got sacked.
It's alright, my daughter. It's alright.
Where do I find her?
Listen, you must know that there is a reason for everything that happens under this earth. God knows why it's like that. Yes. It's okay.
How are you cooking? Good, it's okay. It's fine.
That's okay, that's okay. I really want to find out from you if the prince has been able to select a bride from among these maidens. You know, that is towards his marriage and eventual coronation as the crown prince.
Yes, he has.
Yes.
Yeah.
He told you he has, or you?
Has, I'm aware.
You are aware, yes.
Yes.
Well, that would be great. Okay, that is good. That is good. In that case, I would want to remind you, Igwe, you have to warn him not to have any intimate relationship, with the very bride that he has chosen until after the sanctification by because you know how it will be a taboo. So that the bride he has chosen has to remain, in fact, he will put in isolation until she is sanctified by the custodian of fertility. Yeah. So please remind him. In fact, warn him. These young men.
I think what I'll just have to do is to remind him again and again and again.
Good.
Because the custom and our tradition demands for that.
Of course.
The mother lectured him.
Okay.
And I think I did too.
Beautiful.
So
because
taking care of that.
please, because I fear the repercussions
He will not
if
do
these
that
things.
mistake.
Thank you.
He's my son.
I trust your. yeah, I trust you.
Agozie, please, tell the Jew to get something to drink. And if you can get something to chew, then get that. Please.
Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be everywhere? There is no doubt to my ear. Your mama boy you were, baby. Mana weri fane wepunanu tu.
Greetings to this noble home.
Greetings to you, royal servants of our land.
This is the decree from His Royal Majesty, King Agbalanze. Chioma, you are expected to be dressed and be brought to the palace.
Why? What's happened? I don't understand.
Mates.
Okay, come inside.
Beauty everywhere, there is no doubt to my ear. Your mama boy you were, baby. Mana weri fane wepunanu tu baby anu. Baby go see no wegi, show wetin you got. Go see bezi wegi, kai fokisi kwado. This is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe your way, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky winner? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky winner? The lucky winner. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe your way, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky winner? The lucky.
So, Igwe, like I was saying, it does not make any sense to me that a man or woman elected by the people to serve them will steal all the money, pack them to overseas, and dump them in a bank in a foreign land. Yeah? Does it make any sense?
Actually, but you know the government and the way they behave. Yes.
Good day, my king.
Good day. You're welcome. Make yourself comfortable.
Daughter. How are you?
Fine.
You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my king.
What's your name?
My name is Joma.
Who are your parents?
I am the daughter of Ugwoji. My mother's name is Chinele.
So, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No.
Mama, Eunice, my
Baby, go see no wegi. Show what you got. Go see busy wegi. Time for kissy quado. Oh, this is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win.
That is the way.
It's alright.
Because a man does not pick his tent with the abuse of the Lord. Yeah? That is it.
So, Makiko, how long is this going to take?
I don't have any idea, my lady. Honestly. My lady, it is time. Be strong. See you at dawn.
The eagle is set to fly high. And my job is done here. I await the cry of a child.
Good character is the ultimate in life. Where your good people will see and talk about it. And talk about it. Yeah. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality, she's gonna be
And somehow you have found favor in Her Majesty's sight, that she has chosen to keep you by her side. Please, do not disappoint her, because she's a good woman. Calm your mind, okay? Everything will go by.
I have found someone else. I have found love in you. Royal deception. No more royal deception. Royal deception. She's beauty, pure and kind, but the king's intentions are far from divine. He need an heir to secure his throne. And she's the perfect one to make his power grow, to make his power grow wider.
Good day, ladies. What is going on here? Boniface, are you the prince we all have been waiting for?
This is not possible. Wait. There's no way. You can't tell me that you're the prince that we have been waiting for. No. Lolo, why? Why did you do it? Why will you take the insult and the shame? Why?
It's amazing to see all of you. It's a good day, isn't it? I must confess, all of you are amazing. And you are beautiful as well. I remember you. Fruitful vine. Am I correct?
Yes.
I know you. The land is fertile. The land is green. Am I correct? The eagle must soar. Are you surprised I remember? The guardian of hope. You have a very warm smile. The morning star. That's your code name, right? Beautiful.
Well, ladies, you all did great. But my son, Prince Leo, have a plan of his own.
So, I know we're all waiting for me to let the cat out of the bag. But I'm very disappointed. You see, desperation has always been the road to destruction. Sometimes it amazes me how all of you here present decided to fall so cheaply to give away your bodies in exchange that I chose you to be the winner of the contest. Aren't you ashamed of yourselves? What happens to upholding the dignity and the respect that you carry as women? If I was a bad person, I probably would have taken advantage of all of you. And most importantly, it surprises me that that one person we all thought was not qualified is actually the chosen one.
Well, you ladies are amazing and mean, I must say. If you must know, I have to be there to support my son in person, to make the right choice, like every other good mother would. But you girls were so mean to me. You insulted me, fought me, called me all sorts of names. One of you called me barren, that I have eaten all my children. And one of you called me a witch. But one of you stands out. She never despised me like you all did. She fought for me. She defended me. So allow me to present to you the chosen one. She may be white in her appearance, but that does not defy her.
You may come in, please.
Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it and talk about it and talk about it. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality, she's gonna be
I can see that big surprise on your face. We have come to the end of the road. I know what's on your mind. You're the chosen one. Come forward. Will you marry me? See, you're different from every other person. I'm not trying to judge them, but when it comes to royalty, we have rules. We have a culture, we have a tradition, and we must abide to them. And guess what? You're the chosen one. You're totally different. You refused to give your body in exchange to become the winner, just like they did. And for that reason, the gods chose you. And most importantly, you made all kinds of adjustments for my mother.
Please, be my wife. Say yes.
Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it. Oh yeah, and talk about it. Oh.
I am so happy for the two of you.
Igwe.
Huh? And she beautiful? She is. And he handsome? It shall be well with the two of you. You will live long than all our ancestors. The gods of this land will protect you. It shall be well with all of us. I want to take this opportunity to announce at once that the coronation of the prince as a crown prince will take place in the next 3
She's
AK
beauty, pure and kind, but the king's intentions are far from divine. He need an heir to secure his throne. And she's the perfect one to make his power grow, to make his power grow wider. Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it. Oh yeah, and talk about it. Oh, what does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality. She's gonna be my queen. She's gonna be my queen. She's gonna be the queen. Royal deception. Mama, deception. I am fun love. Royal deception. She's gonna be my queen. Royal deception. Cause she's different. Royal deception. Jackie go by. Royal deception. The will go by. Royal deception. I have found someone. No more royal deception. I have found loving you. Royal deception. No more royal deception.